We are talking today about life force or Vril. This teaching was given to us by Valiant Thor in few of his books. Vril is a mental force or energy in all manifestation of thought force. The mind can project the thought forms with Vril, with life energy, and that thought form projected has more power if is infused with Vril or this life force. People might be threatened by sending them thought of strength, vitality, courage, strength, when this thought is ingrained with Vril. Telepathic messages, the communication of thought forms between people, may be increased by supplying these thoughts that the sender is emitting with Vril. What can we do to conserve Vril? First, it's to store a sufficient supply of Vril to meet unexpected demands. The second one, direct and distribute Vril to meet the requirement of psychic and mental systems. So to distribute in yourself. The third thing is to avoid unexpected waste of Vril. What does unexpected waste of Vril means? Do not waste Vril or life force in emotional waste. What does it mean? Emotional waste is anger, hate, negative emotions, jealousy, fear, worry. So do not waste that life force in the negative emotions. Also, do not waste your life force or Vril in physical waste. Don't do things that are not necessary. Okay? So these teachings and many more you can find in my book, The Fascinating Teachings of Valiant Thor. So you can also read his books. He wrote a lot of books on that are available on Amazon. So this was the presentation for today. Thank you for watching.